Say it again. Edgar, say it again. Timer's done. Edgar, say it again.
Wait. First, let me check something. Oh, wait. My name is Callie_Ellie_. And I'm back with another squishy video.
So first squishy is this blush bunny, which I'm going to take out of the packaging. So here it is. It's really cute. This is like became dense, but dang, that is so much squishier. Hi guys. Do you see this or no? It's still right. This milk bottle. It's not Iblim, by the way. It's a little bit more denser. Wow, that actually became a lot squishier. Dang. This could literally pass for the Iblim milk bottle. I'm not even kidding. Wait.
The small version one?
Yeah. The mini one. I could like sell this for $100 bucks. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not gonna sell this. It is like a huge trip.
No.
That is so squishy. A skeleton skull. Let's see. Oh, it's left then. What the heck?
Sorry. When we first got that was so hard. You couldn't even squish it.
That is so squishy. Oh my god. This is a stress ball. See if it changed. This did get a little bit harder. This did not change, which is a really disappointing. So this is thumbs down. Hamburger face. And let's see how squishy it is. Dang, that is so much squishier. Wow. That is like so squishy. Sesame bun burger, let's see. Dang!
You're cute. No.
This is so squishy. It's like a pancake, like a hamburger pancake. Which I don't want to taste.
A hamburger
Mini panda bun. Wow, that got really squishy. Look. Oh. Medium panda bun. Pink ball. Let's see how squishy it is. This has become a little bit more denser. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so squishy. Oh my gosh. And second to last
You took it from the bottom.
is this jumbo panda bun. Oh my gosh, with the red bow. Let's see how squishy it is. Wow. This could pass as the Iblim peach. Except it doesn't look like Iblim peach. Or even squishier than it. I'm pretty sure this is squishier than the Iblim peach. I'm not even kidding right now. This is like so squishy. Lastly is this Gatvidian macaroon, and I'm going to show you everything again. Just in case you missed part one. A lot of condensation. And let's see. It's really like...
Crystal Ellie _ just uploaded a video part 1.
Oh my gosh. This is like the squish... Gosh. This is like so squishy. Oh my gosh. It's like the squishiest squishy ever. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye!